Let's look at bin replenishment, which is the most operational page in the app. The one your floor supervisor would open every morning. Its whole job is to keep your pick faces stocked, because the most immediate, expensive problem in any warehouse is a picker arriving at an empty pick bin and the line stopping. Across the top you get the headline picture. About 2/3 of our stock bin contents need replenishing, with a total shortfall north of 30,000 units to bring them back to minimum, and another 7,000 units sitting as overstock above maximum. The status charts break every bin content into 4 states: empty, below minimum, within the min-max range, and above maximum. And then by zone here, you can see the split at a glance. A big block of empty and below min contents on one side, a smaller overstock tail on the other. A bin content is a single item in a single bin. One physical bin can hold several, which is why we measure replenishment at that level, not by counting bins. Let me filter straight to what needs action: the empty and below minimum contents bins. I click on empty, and then as I want to see both, I hold Control or Command and click below min on the visual. These are the pick faces that will stop a picker today. Here you can easily see the ones that have fallen below the minimum, with the red min-max position marker showing it's under the floor. Its floor has been set, the balance has dropped underneath it, and the replenishment quantity column tells me exactly how many units to move in to restore it. One thing worth pointing out, because it's genuinely correct to how Business Central behaves, an empty fixed bin still shows up here. In Business Central, a fixed bin keeps its content record even when the quantity hits 0. And those are precisely the bins that most need replenishing, so we keep them in scope. Then I can flip to the overstock side, above maximum. The opposite problem: stock tying up valuable pick face space. You can see it right in the detail, a content holding more than its max, with the overstock quantity quantified and the fill percentage reading over 100% uncapped. This page maps directly to Business Central's own calculate bin replenishment function, which uses the minimum and maximum quantities on bin content to move stock from your lower ranked bulk bins up into your higher ranked pick bins. We've simply turned it into a clear, prioritized picture you can act on. And that's bin replenishment. It turns replenishment from a reactive task into a proactive one, helping your team keep pick faces stocked, reduce interruptions, and maintain a smooth flow of warehouse operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.